Just open a Calico Tigra via Tigra operator. Just search for Calico installation. Then copy this link. Copy the link and paste it into the CLI. You will see that Tigra operator is created, installed. Check the pod CIDR. We can check that pod CIDR in describe node commands. You can describe kubectl describe node command and you can find what the CIDR. If that the CIDR is different, if that CIDR is different from that mentioned here, what 192 something, then you have to wget this browse means file, and you have to change the CIDR according to your node specifications. My CIDR is a little bit different from 192.168.0.0. My CIDR is 10.244.0.0. Escape and save. Now we have to apply it. Just kubectl apply because here the license is not set and the Tigra operator is created. API server operator tigra.io created. Just check the pod kubectl get nodes. Sorry, the printing mistake. Kubectl get nodes. Node is not ready. Run once again. Kubectl get nodes. Now the node is ready. Kubectl get pods -a. You will see that Calico is running fine. Now it's time to create a pod. Now we'll create a pod, but pod will show in the pending state because it is the control plane node. So we have to remove the tent. After removing the tent, you will find the pod is running perfectly fine. Now this way you can check the Calico installation is done properly or not.